The entry of Atari into the 16-bit marketplace and the imminent arrival of Jack Trammell's former company Commodore into the business market means an exciting time ahead for the software houses. From the customer's point of view, a wide choice may be a good thing. After all, it makes good business sense to avoid committing yourself to one particular manufacturer. But there's a problem, because if you've an office full of micros, it also makes sense to link them, so they can share files and peripherals. And with fast laser printers at £4,000 each, sharing resources has got to be the way forward. The ideal will be a sort of mix and match network into which any computer could fit. But there are almost as many different software and hardware standards as there are computers. However, could you make this IBM PC, this HP 150, the DEC Rainbow and the Apricot Portable all agree on a common format so they could swap data or use the same printer? To show you what we mean, we've set up a whole office full of computers linked into a network. Now, although these are all ACT machines, it won't be very long before IBM PCs could be running alongside them. In fact, any computer using the latest Microsoft MS-DOS operating system, and there are over 3 million of those. ACT are the first company in the world to implement Microsoft networking. These workstations are different computers running different programs, yet all sharing the same printer and memory bank. And it doesn't cost the earth. At the heart of the network is this dedicated computer, the file server, acting as the office manager. It not only controls the network, but stores all the office application software. Running on this XI, the file server has provided Lotus 123. And this workstation on the network is Microsoft Word. The word processing software WordStar is in use on this F1 computer. Here, the file server has provided this workstation with the application package files and folders. Running at this workstation, an F1, Multiplan is in use. And finally, on this portable is SuperCalc 3, complete with colour graphics. Well, Dorina, you're the human office manager. We've seen how all the software works, but can you tell me why is the ACT network so different?
Well, the local area network we offer has one file server which provides the capacity for up to 32 other microcomputers to be linked to it.
Now, with 32, is that a real sort of maximum, or is there an optimum number at which you should really hold?
No, that's the maximum.
And in terms of getting the software, the application software and everything is on here, how can the users share the files?
All the software is loaded onto the networking station, and each user can pull off any piece of software he wishes to use at any time.
And the files, so that he can pull off any file as well?
Yes.
Can you have two different users sharing the same file?
Yes.
Right. Now, in terms of the software being loaded on the file server, do you have any problems in terms of people always asking for the master diskette?
No, there's no problems there at all. Once the file is loaded, anybody can use it.
And what about sort of the copyright, the software licensing? Do you need to license software for multiple users?
Yes, you do.
Right. Now, in terms of future developments, I mean, the network looks very good and it certainly appears to be working. Any future developments coming along the line?
Ah, well, we're always developing new things.
Right. Well, we look forward to hearing more from you. Thank you very much, Dorina. This could be something that will revolutionise business life. And if you can't wait to network your office, this isn't called the Point32 system for nothing. There's room for 32 workstations. Your micro need never feel lonely again.